Public education is basically a benefits program. Every student gets a free and public education. They can go to a charter school, they can go to one of our public schools, they can go to a parochial school. And there's different benefits, different finances for each of those locations where these students are mandated to get educated. And those people are all human. So in the event that someone makes a mistake, normally you'd go through the school's local policy. However, our Auditor General clarified that our district doesn't even comply with their own policy. So, how do you get things done? How do you make things happen? Here you go. If you're not being heard, if you're being silenced by your board, if your feckless board isn't going to apply their own policies, isn't going to hold people accountable, isn't going to hold someone accountable when they make a complaint, a formal written complaint, and adjudicate their own policies to make sure that they're not capricious, that they're fair to everyone, you can go to the Pennsylvania Department of Education and file a complaint. Have a nice day. If you're not satisfied, speak up. Thank you.